back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. I am back. It's been a while, but I'll talk about where I've been. In this video, I'm doing a get ready with me today. Even though I'm not going anywhere, probably not gonna say what I use in this video. I'll list everything down below if I don't say it. Hope you guys enjoy this video, and I'm so glad to be back. It feels so good, it feels so nice. Keep on watching. I know I've been super MIA, but I'm back, and the first thing I'm gonna do actually is just tie my hair back because sister doesn't want to get makeup in her hair. I'm gonna use the excuse of school because school was literally like a drag. I posted a video 2 months ago of a video that was actually edited in January and filmed in January, but I just never posted it. And it was a vlog, and I was like, you know what, I'm just gonna post it. And my friends were like, what? Like, because my friends are in it, and they were just like, that was out of nowhere, like they were just so confused. So I was like, yeah, I'm posting this video. I just finished junior year, and that was literally one of the hardest school years of my life, and I was just under so much stress, and it was hard. It got harder the end of the year, considering I had like AP tests, the SAT, I had a lot of finals coming up. I was just crazy busy, and I had a lot of like final things to do, like I had my dance recital, and I have to just start doing college stuff. Me being so busy, I just don't have the motivation to film. Like, it's like, why? I'm sorry, this is so weird. It's just like, why should I film if it's gonna be like really bad? Like, I just don't think I should film. So I didn't. And now I'm back. Summer is when I have the most time, and I'm really excited. I love filming and stuff, and I figured out some new editing tricks. I filmed a video with Katie on Friday that's gonna go up Sunday. I wanted this to go first so it could be like, hey, I'm back, and not like just a random video with my friend. I've had a crazy couple months, so a lot has happened in my life, and I'm just really excited for the summer. I'm gonna vlog more. I want to try and do weekly vlogs. I said that one time I was gonna do them, and I feel like with vlogs, I'm just not a good vlogger. Like, I don't know, man. Like, I don't know what's wrong, but I'm just not a good vlogger. Every time I try to vlog, it's like it's really bad, and I just don't like it. I don't want to post a bad video, because what's the point? If I don't like it, then what's the point? So I just didn't post a lot of vlogs and vlog a lot, even though I wanted to. I don't want to just do a vlog of like a really boring day, because then there's no point to vlog. And I'm gonna figure out more days that I can, because not that I'm gonna have a boring summer, but I'm gonna do stuff that's not really vlog worthy, like work, and I'm going to like classes and stuff. So it's just not worth it if they're gonna be bad, in my opinion. I'm definitely gonna film an updated makeup tutorial. That's why I'm not really like talking through this one. I didn't want to do a makeup tutorial to come back. I just wanted to do like a simple thing. Going on vacation in a week and a half. I'm really excited about that, because I literally am stuck around the same people, the same places, same faces, same things for like months, a year, whatever, and it's not fun. Like, I want to do some new stuff. I'm so sorry if you hear that noise. I don't know what's going on. A senior in high school, like, that's crazy. 4 years flew by. Well, 3. They flew by, and it's so hard to believe that I'm gonna graduate high school. Like, my life is just flying by, and thinking about college is really not stressful, but like, it kind of is stressful. I like having options, but I don't, and it's kind of annoying. I'm going to tour college tomorrow that I really want to go to, so I'm excited about that. I feel like I had so much to say, and then everything was just like flew out of my brain. Okay. I definitely got better at makeup, like so much better, and it's crazy that I let myself do makeup any other way. I got a lot of new products that I use. It's just my makeup game is going up, moving up in this world. Binge watching Friends. I've watched it a couple times before, but I never really watched the whole thing, and I've been wanting to watch it, so I'm binge watching it right now. I'm up to season 4. I'm halfway done with season 4. Yes, I've never binge watched a show with more than like 3 or 4 seasons. I'm binge watching one with 10 because it's quick and easy. Okay, for some reason I always get dry patches on my nose, and I have the most oily skin, and whenever I put makeup on I always get dry patches, and I just don't know why. I'm going to see Bazzi in July, at the end of July. I'm really happy about that. I just realized I'm not even playing music. Wow, that's a first. I'm gonna play music. I need new music to listen to. I'm listening to like literally the same things. It's so annoying. I'm getting a haircut tomorrow. I'm so happy. I'm literally chopping my hair off. I don't like long hair. Like, I have such short patience for long hair. And I love donating my hair, but I don't have the patience. I've been wanting to get my hair cut since I cut my hair last year. Because I was like, yeah, I'm going to grow it out for a little bit, see how long it gets. And then it is what it is. And I'm like, you know what, for the summer, I want it short, I want it all off. For my senior pictures, I want it short too, which are in November. I kind of changed my room around. My desk used to be behind me. I moved it to next to me because it made so much more space in my room. It's just so spacious for a small room, so it's really nice. So I filmed a playlist video with Katie, and like, I'm annoying and I always do playlist videos, but they're so much fun. Like, I just love playlist videos, especially with a friend. It was so fun to make it with her. It's so funny. I really miss dance. Dance ended at the beginning of this month, and I really miss it. I love dancing. Like, I've been so lazy since school ended. Like, I just have no motivation to do anything, and even while school was going on, like, I just had no motivation to do anything. I just want to pass. Like, I'm done. I'm done. My brain's on summer mode already. I love Bazzi so much. He's so underrated, honestly. He doesn't have a single feature in any of his songs. None of his songs. Okay, I need to learn how to put on lashes like ASAP, because I don't know, and it's very frustrating. And I want to learn how to put on lashes. I'm really glad that school's over. I'm gonna hopefully be working this summer so I can make some cash. I need some experience too, to like get other jobs in my future, because I have no working experience whatsoever. One day I really hope I can become like a freelance makeup artist, just for like a little bit, because that seems like so much fun, honestly. And like, if you're good at makeup, then it's worth it. Look at this highlighter. Like, oh my god. And it's only $6. It's a Makeup Revolution highlighter. This is the Baked one. But they have more, and I think the other ones are good too. I don't know, the lady said they're all good. And it was like $6 on the scoop. Like, wow, she's beautiful. I'm going shopping this weekend. I need to buy new clothes for the summer. Like, I need new shorts, because none of my shorts fit me from last year. Well, some of them do, some of them don't. I want to buy more eyeshadow brushes so that I can get better eyeshadow, because I have so many ideas, but they just never work out. I have a really good idea for when I go to Bazzi concert, though. I'm actually really excited. Oh, so I went to prom. We don't have a junior prom, but I went to the senior prom with my friend Katie, and like in a group of friends, and it was so much fun, honestly. And it got me so excited for next year. I had a lot of senior friends, so it was nice to just spend the time with them before they left. I loved my outfit. It was so cute. Like, it was perfect because it wasn't like too formal, but it was nice because it's not my year. Like, I didn't want to like, you know, shine it on me and everything. I did my own makeup, my own hair. Well, my friend did my hair, but it was just curling it. Next year I'm definitely gonna do my own makeup. I don't know about doing my own hair because I'm not good at hair, but I was kind of sad throughout the night because I was like, I really want a guy to dance with, and I didn't have a guy to dance with. And I was like, wow, I want a guy to dance with. Like, there was a couple slow dances. I was like, wow, I'm sad. We had so much fun, and we had fun afterwards. Like, we didn't even do much afterwards. We just went to Dunkin', got some drinks, and just drove home. And it was fun. Next year, I want to go to like Wendy's or something afterwards. I don't know, because I have my recital the next morning. I was like, I need to go home and sleep because I need to wake up 7:30. But I was fine. I actually, like, knocked. I had the best sleep of my life. The night after, the night of my dance recital, oh my god, I have mascara all over me. Prom was so much fun. I can't wait for next year. I started looking at prom dresses already. Oh my god, I got mascara all over me. I don't even know how this happened. I know what color I want to wear. Colors, I have ideas. But I'm not gonna buy my dress based on the color. I just have ideas of what I want. But for me, it took me so long to find that outfit that I bought for prom. Like, that was my second time shopping. I was in the mall for like 5 hours trying to find a dress. And nothing fit me. It's just, it was difficult. Hopefully next year it'll be easier for me to find an outfit, considering it is my prom and I want to find an outfit. For me, it's a lot about the sizing, since the sizing is a big issue for me because it's just, I'm like 3 different sizes on my body. It's crazy. Oh my god, I didn't highlight my cupid's bow. I'm like, something's missing, and I'm just really confused. Okay, so that's my completed look. Thanks for watching this. Get ready. Don't forget to like and subscribe down below and share. Tell your friends about me. Be like, hey, this girl, you know, she has a YouTube channel. She's cool, whatever. So yeah, thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more videos. I'm so excited. I'll see you guys soon. Bye.